Hong Kong Metal Stamping and Machining Industries is your Pearl partner in value-added products manufacturing in Asia. We offer precision, ethics, automation, reliability, and lean production. The Hong Kong Metals and Machining Industries. Hong Kong manufacturers make a wide variety of high value-added metal components and parts, including auto parts, medical devices, high-end 3C product components, as well as machinery and equipment parts. Our industry is widely praised and recognized by top brands of various sectors in Europe, US, and Japan, and has received multitudinous awards. Hong Kong, your Pearl partner. We are able to provide you with ultra-precision components. We are equipped with ultra-precision, high-speed stamping press and computer-aided engineering analysis system. Hong Kong manufacturers are ethical. We adopt common law system and Western business culture for nearly 2 centuries. We respect and protect intellectual property rights and give great confidence to suppliers, factories, clients, and partners. Hong Kong manufacturers widely adopt automation in recent years. We make use of hundreds of multi-axis robots, automatic imaging devices, and intelligent production scheduling system. We are migrating towards Industry 4.0 and Industrial Internet. Hong Kong manufacturers offer reliable and stable products. We have excellent measurement equipment and a well-trained workforce with dedicated mindset. We are able to rapidly respond to our customers. Hong Kong manufacturers strive towards lean production. We offer cost-effectiveness in both production and logistics. Long-term partnerships with clients and continuous innovations, as well as creating happiness towards people, are the commitment of your Pearl partner in the Far East. The Hong Kong Metals and Machining Industries.